Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix missing or disappearing photos on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. Scroll down and click on gallery app. If you want to fix this problem, click on storage and cache and clear cache gallery app. After clear cache gallery app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your hidden files. Click on files app. Click on internal storage and you will see hidden file from here. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on gallery app and click on albums and click on recently deleted. So you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix missing or disappearing photos on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.